Using your Tangem wallet for crypto staking is a common question, and we'll walk through what's possible and how it works with this particular hardware wallet. The Tangem wallet, at its core, is a non-custodial hardware wallet. This means it secures your private keys offline, giving you full control over your assets. It integrates with various decentralized applications, or dApps, through web browsers or direct in-app connections, depending on the service. When you want to stake a cryptocurrency, you are essentially committing your tokens to support the operations of a blockchain network, typically one using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This commitment usually takes place directly on the blockchain via a smart contract, or through a third-party staking service. The Tangem wallet itself does not have a built-in staking function where you just press a stake button inside the wallet interface. Instead, it acts as the secure sign-in tool. To stake, you would use a dedicated staking platform or a supported third-party wallet that is compatible with Tangem, such as MetaMask, for networks like Ethereum. For instance, to stake a token like SOL, ADA, or DOT, you would connect your Tangem wallet to the network's official or community-approved staking dApp. The Tangem wallet signs the transaction that locks your tokens into the staking contract. Your assets remain secured by the Tangem card throughout the entire process. They never leave the protection of your hardware wallet. For certain major coins like Ethereum staked ETH, the process is usually a bit more complex, often involving liquid staking protocols where you receive a derivative token in return. Again, your Tangem wallet secures the initial deposit and the resulting derivative asset. The key takeaway is that staking is performed through the Tangem wallet, not by the Tangem wallet. It's the secure key that unlocks the staking function on a dApp. Always make sure you are using a verified and reputable staking platform before connecting your wallet to prevent scams. Check the Tangem documentation or their community channels for the most current list of supported staking methods and partner applications for maximum security and ease of use. This ensures you can earn staking rewards while keeping your assets fully protected.